I am brave and strong. I can do anything I set my mind to. I am unique and special. I am kind and honest. I am a good friend. I am worthy of happiness. I have many talents and abilities. I am smart and capable. I choose to be happy and have fun. I am loved just the way I am. I am proud of who I am. I can handle challenges with courage and determination. I am full of creativity and imagination. I have the power to make a difference in the world. I can learn anything I want to learn. I am confident and self-assured. I am appreciated for being me. I am grateful for my friends and my family. I am surrounded by love and support. I am going to make today count. I am positive and optimistic. I am a good listener and helper. I can handle challenges. I always do my best. I am always improving and growing. I am a good role model for others. I know it's okay to make mistakes. I have the power to control my thoughts and emotions. I am a positive influence on those around me. I am a great friend and make others feel loved and valued. I am appreciated for my kindness and compassion. I am an important part of my community. I am happy and fulfilled. I am respectful and courteous. I am responsible and dependable. I am a good sport and love to play. I am a good sport and love to play. I am loved and respected. I am a good person. I am able to forgive and move on. I am deserving of love and respect. I am proud to be me. I am proud of my achievement. I am happy and content with who I am. I am a lifelong learner. I am positive and optimistic. I am a good example to others. I am valued. I am me. I am enough.